Butterflies out my window.
Darten, your home to unique African clothing. We pride ourselves in unique designs made with African prints, purchased here in Nigeria. The first thing that captivates you when you see our outfits are the fabrics. We have a vast catalog of African prints, and we pick prints that give a representation of our culture. Our utmost priority is ensuring our employees, partners, and customers are fully satisfied and treated fairly.
Hello, my name is Umekwe Clementina. I'm a co-owner of Kenyan Beads and Maasai Trend in Nigeria. I've been in partnership with Darten for 2 years, going to 3 years now. My partnership with Darten has really improved my business in so many ways. I've gotten a lot of referrals through Darten, of which has really expanded my business. My products are being sorted from Kenya, produced by Zulu women in Kenya, and it's called Maasai Beads. These are sets of women in Kenya. They play around with beads, producing jewelry, earrings, Maasai watch, bangles, and some necklaces.
The name of my business is AOV Ventures. I used to repair machine, service machine, sell machine also. I come to Darten factory to service the machine 3 times in a week to shape over like 15 machines, and I'm working with Darten over 2 years now. As I'm working with them, I thank God my business is going on. I don't regret to be able to be working with them. Thank God.
Once the quality control unit verifies the finishing of the dresses, they are packaged and set for shipping, courtesy of our partners, FedEx.
The partnership with Darten Nigeria Limited is over 2 years now. It's interesting how we've come a long way. I could still remember 3 years ago we started from the business again from a block of flats.
We actually started in a part of Lagos when they were in a flat, but now they have gone so large they're in a factory. That's how long the business has grown.
When we started with about 300 kg, but now it has grown to over 900 kg weekly basis and monthly basis. As a result of the increase, the company has given us huge revenue.
We managed to contain their volume, and the commission from that volume is revenue for my company. So we go all out to delight them as our clients. So in this process, they delight their customers, which are the end users of their products.
One of our products and services we offer is our international priority. What is international priority? International priority is a product that is time definite, custom cleared, got to those service delivery for any package in any part of the world. And that is what we'll be able to add to Darten's business over the years.
We hope to keep creating awareness of the rich Nigerian heritage and adding value back to our society in our own little way. Darten, your home to unique African clothing.